Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will dive into a groundbreaking paper published in 2025 titled Methodological Standards for Body Composition and Expert Consensus. Now, that might sound a little bit technical, but don't worry, I will break it down so it's practical and easy to understand. Why should you care about that? Because body composition, the way fat, muscle, bone, and water are distributed in your body, plays a huge role in your health, performance, and even longevity. And this article is from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. The title is Methodological Standards for Body Composition, an expert-endorsed guide for research and clinical applications, labels, models, and terminology. You might be curious about what is body composition. Most people only look at weight, but weight alone doesn't tell you much. Think about two people who both weigh 70 kilos. One could be an athlete with strong muscles. The other could carry more fat. Same weight, complete different health profiles. That's why researchers look at body composition. It includes fat mass, fat-free mass, muscle mass, bone density, and body water. So here is the problem. Why do we need the standards? Over the years or decades, scientists have used different methods to measure body composition. For example, something like the DEXA scans, bioelectro impedance analysis, underwater weighing, or MRI. So many things you can name it. Each method has strengths and weakness. But because everyone reports results differently, studies often can be compared. That's frustrating for researchers and confounding for the public. So why did the experts agree on? In this new consensus, over 30 international experts came together to create methodological standards. Here are some key takeaways. First, the research should provide unified terminology. Everyone should use the same terms. For example, fat-free mass should always mean the same thing. Muscle, bone, and water combined. Secondly, preferred methods. DEXA is one of the recommended as one of the most reliable tools. Though the BIA and MRI might also be used depending on resources. Lastly, standardized reporting might be helpful. Studies should clearly describe equipment, sample details, and statistical methods, so the results are transparent and comparable. So what does this matter to you? You might be thinking, okay, but how does this affect me? Well, with standardized methods, doctors and trainers can give you more accurate assessments. For athletes, it means better monitoring of muscle and fat changes. For the general population, it means that knowing whether your weight gain is healthy muscle or not so healthy fat. Ultimately, it helps with personalized health and performance planning. So I might give you some practical tips. First, don't just focus on the weight. ask about your body composition instead. If possible, get a DEXA or BIA test to know your fat and muscle balance. And you should check changes over time. The consistency matters more than one single number. So, next time, when you step on a scale, remember, the number is just one piece of the puzzle. Body compositions tells the real story. Thanks for tuning in, and if you find this episode helpful, please share it with your friend who cares about health and fitness. Thank you.